One of the few complaints I have about the BRZ is this. You think that this entire button wouldn't move, but this little tiny gray part would. Yeah, well, the whole thing moves. That's sort of, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but it'd be kind of cool if only that little gray part moves. It'll be more like a jet fighter. Got a little digital gauge right behind there, digital gauge right behind there. Very nice and smooth operating. I mean, everything's just so easy to move and touch. So it's all natural to move and touch. I mean, the door handle here is just so natural just to go in there and touch it. And if you want your door unlocked, you have to go through there, but your arm's too big, so you just have to stretch it over there, hit the unlock or lock or whatever. And if you want your auto window down, you can have it down because look, it even says auto down. And you got your fake chrome handle, which is ergonomically placed there, so when you're like, oh my god, I've had too much, I want to get out, but you won't want to get out because it's so much fun. It's just right there, and it's nice, and it's got this nice, solid, clicking, sewing sound to it. It sounds so nice. And you got your Pioneer stereo here. Very nice screen. I'm not going to touch it because the screen's so nice. The seats, everything, and it's just so nice and smooth. The seats have already been armor-alled, and I'm covered in grease already. The traction control is right there. The VSE Sports right there. That does absolutely nothing because Toyota and Subaru were just too happy with what they did now. The heated seats are right there, very much like the old Impreza, like what my neighbor Jamie has. You have your clock right there. You got your four-way flashes in case you happen to crash. It's right there. You got your red stitched inlay steering wheel, very nice. I was already sitting on the passenger seat, so don't bombard me as to questions as to why I'm not sitting in there, but this car is freaking amazing. Aside from the fact that it's only rear-wheel drive and that Toyota made sure that Subaru made the engine sit back 9 inches back and lower into the engine compartment. It will never be able to be made all-wheel drive, which sucks, but don't worry, give it about 10 years and engineers will say, hey, I got an all-wheel drive BRZ, suck it. Overall, this car is absolutely amazing. I mean, the shifter is just perfect. It's in the perfect place. Everything is just absolutely amazing. This is going on YouTube. Haha. This is Subaru Steel Halifax.